Hey guys, all right. So here is the ball thrown up lab. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go find the video that you need to download. So this is a video of me throwing a basketball up and down. So let's go to Safari. We're going to type in goo.gl, and then this is on the board, so you can look up and see it. But it's 5, capital H, lowercase o, lowercase k, lowercase s, lowercase c. Okay, good. There it is. We're going to download that. So that went, there we go. We saw it went to my downloads. I'm going to go to my downloads. I don't want to open it. What I do want to do with it, so let's minimize Safari. What I do want to do with it, I want to go find it. So it's in my downloads, and I want to put it on my desktop. So there it is right there, upanddown.mov, and put it on your desktop. So that's step one. Okay, once you have that done, and you've done that a couple times, that shouldn't be hard. The next thing we need to do is open up Logger Pro. So I'm going to go to my Launchpad. Everybody should have Logger Pro by now. It's right here. Okay, Logger Pro. Okay, now I'm going to insert movie. So insert movie, and you're going to see, right, we have to find it now. Now, I put it on my desktop right there. So desktop, and we'll look for it. And there it is, upanddown.mov. So you need to find that upanddown.mov. All right, cool. Now I've got it. All right, there it is. Remember, if you ever think that you lost your video, you can go to Page, and you can auto arrange, and it'll make everything look nice. Now I'm going to full screen this so I can get it a little bit bigger. All right. Let's make the video as big as possible. Sorry, it shot on my phone, so it's kind of a weird angle there. Okay, so notice this. You guys see down here, I click this little button down there. So that button in the bottom right-hand corner will give you either your sidebar or it'll hide your sidebar. But you want your sidebar out, and we're going to choose this tool right here with the dot. So we choose the dot tool. Let's go to where I throw the ball up. And there, the ball left my hand. Don't put a dot on until the ball leaves my hand. Don't put a dot on until the ball leaves my hand. Okay, now, what I'm going to do, and I want you to do this, I'm going to put a dot for every frame. Don't skip any frames between dots. So before we were skipping 3 frames, we're not skipping 3 frames now. Do every single dot all along the way. Okay. Now up here, you're going to have some dots get close together, and that's okay. Just keep going. Every single frame, put a dot. And then they're going to space back out. So that's good. We should be noticing that they start off wide, they get close together, and now they're going to get farther apart as we go down. So you're going to end up with a lot of data on this one, but that's okay. Remember, the more data, the more accurate your numbers are going to be. So if you take a whole bunch of dots, it's okay if you make a little mistake with one of your dots, because lots of data is going to fix that. Make sure that you don't use a dot once it hits the ground, okay? So now I'm done labeling. I'm going to auto arrange again. Okay, now I've got my blue line, which is what I want to look at. I don't care about my red line, so let's change this to just Y. Okay, so I should just have Y right there. Now I need another graph here, so I'm going to go up top and I'm going to go Insert Graph, Insert Graph, all right? Now look, that already showed me Y velocity. I want to make that bigger, so I'm going to go to Page, Auto Arrange. There we go. Now they look nice. So this already shows Y velocity. If it's something else, if it's not Y velocity already, just click on it and you can choose Y velocity. Okay, so we've got Y velocity. Now remember, the last thing you're going to do is you're going to click on your bottom graph and you're going to put in a line of best fit. So see this button right here? right up top. Everybody see that? The linear fit button. When you hover over it, it'll say linear fit. Click that, and it's going to put in my line. Oh man, look at that. I forgot one step. Got to make sure I set the scale. So it's the ruler, the sideways ruler. We have to draw that on the meter stick. Okay, draw it on the meter stick, and boom. Oh, there we go. That's 1 meter. There we go. Now that looks a lot better. Okay, cool. All right, that's all you guys got to do. You're up.